The latest Mercedes-AMG C63 sedan is the result of engine downsizing on a grand scale. It traded its predecessor's burly 4.0-Liter V8 for a turbocharged four-cylinder half the size as part of its 2024 reinvention. But that's just the beginning of the story. Replacing that displacement is a plug-in hybrid system that brings total output to 671 horsepower and a monstrous 752 pound-feet of torque when all constituents are working together. Though its engine is smaller, the C63 has put on some pounds, yet it still manages to outdrag its forebear to 60 miles per hour. The AMG C's chassis has also been reworked, giving it sharper reflexes and a bit more feel through the helm. Luxury again exudes from the interior, which has the clean, modern look of the latest C-Class fortified by AMG-specific touches like sport seats. Competition includes long-running foes the Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing and the BMW M3. AMG also offers the slightly tamer C63, which we review separately. Changes to the C63 for 2025 include the latest MBUX3 infotainment software, 5G compatibility, and a center-mounted airbag. Performance upgrades include an optional AMG high-performance ceramic composite braking system. Gone is the old twin-turbo V8 engine from the last-generation C63, and in its place is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder. But before you get disappointed at an engine half the size of the old one, you should know that this inline-4 is augmented by a 201 horsepower electric motor and uses an electric turbocharger to reduce turbo lag. The high-performance plug-in hybrid propulsion system pumps out a massive 671 horsepower, giving it an edge over rival performance sedans such as the BMW M3 and the Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing, at least on paper. This setup allows for some limited all-electric driving, but only about 6 miles or so. Its purpose instead is to provide similar performance to the outgoing car with better overall fuel economy. In addition to providing performance-boosting power, the C63's onboard battery pack can also be used to power the car on electrons alone for those times when you need a quiet commute. However, we estimate that the 4.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack will be good for only about 6 miles of all-electric driving. It can be charged either by being plugged into a charging station or power outlet, via the electric motor integrated into the turbocharger that feeds current to the battery, or traditional regenerative braking. The C63's cabin looks much like those of the standard C-Class and junior AMG C43 model, but it sports unique upholstery and stitching patterns as well as AMG-branded sport seats with openings cut out to help save weight. A panoramic sunroof is standard, as are heated front seats, with ventilation an option. A heated steering wheel, sport seats with additional support, and acoustic glass are also available. All models come with a large 11.9-inch infotainment touchscreen that is integrated into the center console and canted slightly toward the driver. A 12.3-inch digital gauge display is also standard. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are present with wireless connectivity, and a high-end Burmester stereo system is included too.